All right, time for some birthdays on this Tuesday morning. We begin in Girard with Bowen Burke celebrating birthday number 2. Happy birthday, Bowen.
All right, and we've got Wyatt Hernandez celebrating birthday number 11 this year. Wyatt is getting lots of love from Mom, Dad, Ryder. His birthday was actually Monday, not today. Sorry about that.
That's all right. We've also got Jack Lusker over in Frontenac celebrating birthday number 18 with love from Mom, AJ Delaney, and your dad. Happy birthday, Jack.
All right, Jarek Bond turning 19 years old this year. Jarek is in Humboldt, Kansas. His birthday was also Monday. Love coming from his grandparents for this year.
And we've got Macy Gray celebrating birthday number 22 in Columbus. Macy, happy birthday.
Josie Ridnour is celebrating birthday number 24 this year in Pittsburgh. Love you from all the family.
And Amber Alloway in Parsons celebrating birthday number 43. Happy birthday, Amber.
In Frontenac, Matt, your parents are wishing you happy birthday. Matt Frankenberry is turning the big 5-0.
And we've got Mark Peterson over in Liberal celebrating the big 6-0 today. Mark, happy birthday.
All right, and Miss Phyllis Almond is celebrating a birthday in Chanute, Kansas. Hope it's a great one, Phyllis.
And we've got Lena Royster celebrating in Galena. Happy birthday, Lena.
All right, here's our boy, Mr. Shannon Becker, Joplin News First multimedia journalist, celebrating a birthday. We won't tell you which one, but it's today.
It's one of them. One of his birthdays is today. We've also got Gary and Bonnie Wells celebrating their 34th wedding anniversary in Joplin. Happy anniversary.
All right, Garrett Mercer turning 30 years old in Arma, Kansas.
Ben Jones celebrating number 39 in Frontenac.
In Crestline, Dan Duncan celebrating birthday number 72.
And Debbie Bunce celebrating in Baxter Springs.
And let's see, we've got Beverly Rommeyer celebrating a birthday in Columbus.
And Jerry Krumsick celebrating a birthday over in Frontenac.
Misty Sullivan in Columbus, happy birthday to you.
And last but certainly not least, Pamela Marshall celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh with love from your mom. Happy birthday and anniversary to all of you, and let's continue to make this list longer. And Tanya can tell you how you can help make this list even longer.
Actually, I got one more birthday I probably should add. My little sister's birthday is today.
Oh, yeah, can't forget the family.
I gotta remind to give her a call. Happy birthday, sis. All right, you can easily submit your birthdays to either of those emails, birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays with an S at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And while you're on our website checking out all the nice, cool things it does, you can also take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Get yourself some great deals from local businesses, and you get a happy birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just head over to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today. Well, coming up when the KOAM